Hello and welcome to another video in our Single Application and Maps Help and Guidance series. In this video we will be looking specifically at making changes to your single application using the interactive mapping system. As you can see, the single application consists of four main steps. We have scheme selection, questions, land details for basic payment scheme and environmental farming scheme, and finally we have the confirmation screen. If you wish to contact the department for assistance, then click here. You will enter the details of your query and contact information. A contact telephone number is required, and you must also provide a description of the problem you are experiencing. Then click on the Send Message button. Once the details have been submitted successfully, please allow 2 to 3 working days for a reply. In the land details screen, you can amend the fields you wish to claim for, using the map facility to make various different types of changes. When you make this type of change, the summary data table and feed data table in your application will automatically update. Remember, you do not have to complete your single application in one visit. You can access your online application as many times as you need to during the application period. Scroll down through the welcome page until we reach the bottom, where the Launch Map and Apply Now options sit. Here we have the Launch Map option, where you can go straight to your map and immediately make map changes. Remember, however, that you cannot submit your single application until you have completed all steps. If you wish to complete steps 1 and 2 before working on the map, then click on this Apply Now button. In this guidance video, we will be using the Launch Map facility to make map changes. Please see the department's Completing Your Single Application Help and Guidance video to assist you in completing and submitting your single application. Our first step here is to click on the I Want To option. Now choose the Make a Change option. From the drop-down button, you will see a list of things that you can do using the interactive map, and we shall select the Change a Feature option here. Click Next to proceed. To locate the field that you wish to create a feature within, you can use the Search Field button, the Field Information table, or explore the map and then click the field on the map to select it. A small circle will appear inside the field. Now select Next to proceed. Now we have to enter the change details. That is the feature category and type, the date the change occurred on the ground, and the reason for change in the comment box. The category automatically defaults to hard, and as we are going to be creating a 15 meter by 15 meter building feature, this is the correct category. From the list of available change types, we will select Buildings. And then from the electronic calendar, we will choose the date the change happened on the ground. It is important when making changes such as this one to make a comment in order to inform the Dara Map editor of the change, as drawings might not always be accurate in measurement. The feature that I have created in this field is a 15 meter by 15 meter building. Select Next to move on to the next step. We have arrived at the Draw New Feature screen. The area drawn here will be created as a building. Now and only at this stage should we use the measuring tool to measure out the building area. So we will click on the Tools icon to activate the measuring tool. The Tools menu now appears and we will select the Distance function. And we shall begin measuring out 15 meters by 15 meters. We have drawn the first line and it's coming in at 14.81 meters in length. This is okay. Don't waste too much time getting this exact. The map editor will know from your comment that this should be 15 meters. Continue to draw out 15 meter lines. Use a single mouse click to change direction. As you can see, I have measured out close as possible to 15 meters. Now I have marked out my area and I will activate the Create a Feature drawing tool by clicking on this icon. So I will now click on the first distance line with one single click of the mouse. Now I trace over the area I had previously measured out. Click the mouse button once to change direction of your drawing, and double-click the mouse button to finish the edit drawing. As you can see, the drawing has been captured. And again, select Next to continue. The area to be removed from your field will appear in light blue. If you are content, select Next to confirm the edit. The building feature is now hatched out in purple. The feature creation is completed and it is successful. If you are content, click on the Finish Edits button. Remember that this change will automatically be applied to your field data table, but will appear as unverified until it has been checked by a Dera map editor. Therefore, in order to have the change verified, you must submit a Farmer Notified change. Our final task is to submit the Farmer Notified change to the department in order to have the change validated. So, from the I want to menu options, we shall select the Submit FNC Changes to Dera. We are now submitting our map changes to the Dera map editors for validation. Once that is done, the department will consider the map changes and provide us with accurate field areas and the maximum eligible areas via an area record form. There is a separate video in this help and guidance series which deals specifically with using the Farmer Notified Changes option.